Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of files, desperately trying to gather important documents scattered across countless folders? Today, we're cutting through the chaos to show you how to extract files from multiple folders in Windows, bringing order to your digital life and saving you hours of tedious work. First, identify the main directory or parent folder where all your scattered files reside. Let's say you have a project folder with subfolders like drafts, finals, and images, each containing documents you need. Right-click on this main folder. This action will reveal a context menu with various options. From the context menu, select Search. You'll notice a search bar appears at the top of your File Explorer window. This is where the magic begins. Now, here's the key to extract all files of a specific type. Type an asterisk followed by a period and the file extension. For example, to find all Microsoft Word documents, you would type docs. As you type, File Explorer will start searching through all subfolders automatically, displaying every file that matches your criteria in a single results pane. Once the search is complete, the easiest way to gather all these files is to select them all. You can do this by clicking inside the search results pane and pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, or by using the Select All option if it appears. Now, right-click on any of the selected files. This will bring up another context menu. From this menu, choose Copy to. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to select a destination for all your gathered files. Navigate to your desired central location, perhaps a new folder you've created specifically for this purpose, like Consolidated Files, and click OK. In moments, all your specified files will be copied to this single, central location. Effortlessly organized and readily available for whatever you need them for. Mastering this simple technique can dramatically streamline your file management, saving you time and reducing frustration.